A fox and a crane.
Once a fox and a crane became friends. So, the fox invited the crane to dinner. The crane accepted the invitation and reached the fox's place at sunset. The fox had prepared soup for his mate, but as we all know that foxes are cunning by nature, he served the soup in flat dishes. So he himself lapped the crane's share with his tongue, enjoying its relish a lot. But the crane could not enjoy it at all with his long beak, and had to get back home hungry. The shrewd fox felt extremely amused. After a few days, the crane invited the fox to dine in with him. The fox reached his place well in time. The crane gave him a warm welcome, and served the soup in a jug with a long and narrow neck. So, the crane enjoyed the soup with great relish, using his long beak. The fox's mouth couldn't reach the soup through the narrow neck of the jug. He had to return home hungry. Now, he realized that he had been repaid for his behavior with the crane.